Benefits of Papaya Enzyme and Source. Benefits: skin care, treats obesity, treats intestinal parasites, aids in digestion. American Health Original Papaya Enzyme Review. Description: the after-meal supplement. Natural digestive enzyme support. Promotes nutrient absorption. Vegetarian formula. Digestive Health. Dietary Supplement. Suggested use: for adults, chew 3 tablets following a meal, 1 to 3 times daily, or dissolve 1 or 2 tablets in mouth when needed. Other ingredients: sucrose, calcium carbonate, vegetable stearic acid, vegetable magnesium stearate, cornstarch, papaya flavors. No gluten, no yeast, no wheat, no milk or milk derivatives, no lactose, no soy, no egg, no grapefruit, no preservatives, no artificial color, no sodium. Warnings: if you are pregnant, nursing or taking any medications, consult your doctor before use. Discontinue use and consult your doctor if any adverse reactions occur. Keep out of reach of children. Store at room temperature. Do not use if seal under cap is broken or missing. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.